Hello guys, welcome back to this tutorial on how to use a Blender car in Unity. In the last video we discussed how to import a Blender car model as an FBX file into our Unity project, and also we added the script to spin our wheels and to rotate left and right as we drive by. In this tutorial I'm going to use a car controller that comes with the car prefab, which also comes with the standard assets. If we click this car prefab here, we can see there are some built-in scripts: car controller, car user controller, and car audio. So we are going to use this car controller script for our car model so we can drive this car as in this sky car model. If you see this car controller script, there are 4 elements here, 4 wheel colliders assigned to each individual wheels in this sky car model. These wheel colliders can be handy for our car model to control our car as we drive by. So we have this our McLaren model. We also have the access to our 4 wheels here, and what we are going to do is we are going to assign these 4 wheels to these wheel colliders in the built-in script. You can see that wheel measures are assigned respectively for these wheel colliders, for the front right wheel, and so on. So we gonna replace the McLaren car wheels with these default sky car wheels. So I'm gonna drag this front left wheel to the front left element, and this front right wheel to the front right element, and rear left to the rear left element, and rear right to the rear right element. Now we created this script in the last video. If we go to this script, we use these wheel collider variables and transform variables, so altogether it works for the spinning of wheels in our car. But this time we are going to delete this script and use our built-in script instead. So let's go back to the car prefab. So we have assigned our wheels to the respective elements here. So what I'm going to do next is delete the wheel colliders that we assigned in the previous video for these McLaren car wheels. Here we have assigned wheel colliders. We are going to delete these components from all 4 wheels. Also we did assign some built-in script for these front wheels. This built-in script named mudguard, we're gonna delete this also. Now it's all done. Next I'm gonna position all the wheel colliders assigned to our car model. We can access these wheel colliders from here. If we access the front right wheel collider, we can see this green circle. It is our wheel collider. We have to align this green circle around our actual wheels perfectly. So we can see there is a radius assigned to this wheel collider. I'm going to reduce the radius here and then position it right. Then I'm going to reset the radius again. We had this radius for the front right wheel. Again I'm going to align its center. So then do this for the other wheels as well. Now our wheels are all set. Let's play our scene here. So as we can see now, the wheels are spinning right according to the built-in script. Also the car is turning left and right. And the brakes are also working fine as the built-in script has already braking process, and the audio script is also running well. So that's it guys. So if you are developing a car game, we can import any amount of cars from 3D modeling softwares. For example, we have used Blender here. We can use any cars. You can use any amount of cars and any type of cars in our Unity project. So and it also simple because as we use this car prefab in our car models and it runs smooth. And before I finish this tutorial, let me add some textures to my terrain here because the default looks is not much good looking, and if we added some textures here, it will look cool when we drive the car around. So we go to our terrain here and paint terrains, and we're gonna create a layer for our texture, and I'm gonna use something like this from the standard assets. We have a duplicate texture here already, and we use it for our normal map. Now we are going to delete this texture, we don't need this. We are going to duplicate this texture here, and we are going to create a normal map for this duplicate and take the create from grayscale for more realistic looks and apply. And we go to terrain again, let's find this. Okay, now we can use this normal map in our terrain layer, and the scale we set to something like 15. Oh, that's better. And here we set the size to 5 and 5. Now it looks like a desert with some sand on it. Now if we are playing this, so that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions regarding the tutorial, write in the comment section and let me know. I'll get back to you guys with some more beginner tutorials like this. Until then, goodbye and thanks for watching.